Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Windows 11 login and slow problem. Here are some steps to fix Windows 11 login and slow problem. Step number 1 is update your Windows 11. To do that, you need to press Windows key plus I in your keyboard. It will be open settings menu. You can use the other methods to open the setting menu also. Then after you need to go to the Windows update in the left side menu and make sure it is resumed, and if you see the button called check for update is here, just tap on it, then it will be install the latest version of the Windows, and you need to restart the computer, then it will be little bit speed up and install any available updates also. And the second one is you need to update your drivers. To do that, you need to right click on the start menu, go to device manager, and find any drivers with the exclamation mark like this, then right click on it and tap on update driver and search automatically for drivers, and in my case it is unable to find. Just close this one, and you can use that method to other drivers also, like if you in your graphic driver also in outdated, right click on it, tap on update driver, then tap on search automatically for drivers, and it is already updated in my case. And if you have some kind of new latest version, it will be automatically installed on your computer. Then after installing, you need to restart your computer, then it will be run on latest version. So that is method number 2. And third one is disable unnecessary startup programs. To do that, you need to open Task Manager. First you need to right click on the taskbar in your computer and choose the Task Manager. In this menu there is a tab called Startup. Tap on it, and you can see in the status menu these are the affected for startup. So most of the things I already disabled, but some are already enabled. What you have to do is just tap on it, and if it is not need to start up as open as startup program, you need to tap on disable. You can see now it is disabled, and you can see the startup impact also here. Make sure high impact application should be in the disabled mode. Okay, that is method number 3. Just close this one. In my case I need to this one enable, just tap on enable. Okay. Yeah, you can adjust visual effect for the best performance. To do that, you need to press Windows key plus R, then it will be open run menu. You can do say everything when I using keyboard shortcut. Just go to search bar, search for run. So this every method you can do using search bar also. Okay, in the run menu you need to type sys dm.cpl and hit enter. Okay, now you are in system properties. Go to the advanced tab, and in the performance section you need to tap on setting, and in this drop down menu you can choose the third one, adjust for best performance. But sometime it will be a little bit not smooth visuals, because this is suitable for best performance, but your computer definitely will be fast. But I not need to do that, so I will keep it as it is. When you do that, just tap on apply and tap on OK and OK again. So that is method number 4. And method number 5 is run the disk cleanup. To do that, again you need to press Windows plus R. It will be open run menu. Then type clean mgr. Tap on OK. Then you can choose the drive you need to clean. Then after tap on OK. It will be take small time to clean the drive. So then after you can find all the unnecessary files are cleaning in that drives. so it will be able to speed up your computer. And step number 6 is disable transparency effect. To do that, press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu. Okay, in the personalization in the left side menu, just tap on it and go to colors here. You can see transparency effect are activated in my case. To improve your speed, you need to switch off that one. Then it will be little bit speed up your computer, and then after you can close this one. And step number 7 is you can check for malware. Most of the time malware can be help to speed decrease on your computer. To do that, again Windows, you need to press Windows key plus I. It will be open settings menu. In the left side menu, you need to go to privacy and security, and right side menu you need to go to Windows security. Okay, tap on virus and threat protection. That is the first option. Then you can see there is option called quick scan. Then you need to tap on it. It will be take around 10 minutes, depend on your storage and your computer performances, and it will be find any kind of malware in your computer. Then it will be completely remove those malware and fix to your computer. So that is method number 7. And method number 8 is perform a clean boot. To do that, you need to press Windows key plus R. It will be open run menu and type msconfig and tap on OK. In the menu, tap on services tab and tap on hide all Microsoft services. Make sure tick it, and then after you need to tap on disable all. Okay, after doing that, go to startup tab, tap on open task manager and go to startup menu and disable all the startup application. Some applications are enabled right now. You need to tap on disable, then it will be disabled. After doing all the things, you need to restart your computer. And next method is check the disk errors. Sometime your disk has some kind of issues. It will be able to system slow down. Okay, first you need to go to search bar and search for command prompt. Tap on right click on it, go to run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type chkdsk space /f space /r. This will be check the disk errors and fix those issues, and you need to follow the on screen instruction to check for and fix the disk errors. So I'm not going to do that right now because it will be take small time. And that is method number 9. And the last one is optimize your drivers. To do that, you need to press Windows key plus R. It will be open run menu and type DFRGUI. Hit enter. Okay, now you can see all the drives that are installed on my computer. You can select each one and tap on optimize. Then it will be make it is in the perfect condition and remove unnecessary fragments and clean that fragments. So this will be able to speed up your disk. So these are the 10 methods I need to show you to fix your lagging and slow problem in your Windows 11. And these methods are similar to Windows 10 also. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe my channel and liking this video.